Right there's our PLA by eSun, about an hour after I lit it on fire. This is all I have for scrap for ABS plastic from eSun. It's just the normal black. Yeah, I don't mess up as much with ABS. I got it pretty dialed in. My PLA, that really wasn't a mess up. It was just the supports. ABS, I normally try to not use any supports. This was my tower I printed. Got a video on it printing. Let's see if this stuff burns. I'm gonna put it right next to it. Just gonna light the top on fire. I don't have enough to really do a good test. And it's windy outside. I'm like, this is the day to do it because it's supposed to rain for the next 8 days. Just gonna light it. Let it put itself out. Okay. It burns black. Also, if you guys watch my PLA video, it didn't burn black. ABS is burning black. Yeah, you guys can see that black. Well, it's burning quick too. That PLA took a long time to burn, but this ain't taking no time at all. Let's put that close enough so it lights it. Can't believe there's such a difference in it. I know there's a difference in how well it lasts and the temperatures it can take and all that, but for burning, I thought it was going to be the same, and it's not. Again, that's what it looked like after PLA burnt. It's like a mat of glue. Let's see if it lights that second tower on fire. I did have to leave it on there a little bit longer, but I really think that was just because of the wind. Ooh, flame's a bit higher. I can feel the heat off of it too. PLA just kind of burnt slow. There, it's lighting that second one on fire. I'm not getting an odor off of it like the PLA. PLA smelled just like trash when it was burning. Yeah, I'm taking in the black smoke just to see if it smells. It's a very light odor. I say it's only a quarter of the smell. It still smells like trash burning, but it doesn't, it's very hard to get the smell. Should have brought out my tripod. The black is just like burning tires. I don't know if you guys can see how much black's coming off that. Not that I'd have a lot of ABS to burn. I'd have to burn it at night. Looks like it's going to turn down into a goo just like normal plastic, which is good because when I make stuff with the 3D printer, I want it to be as good as something I bought in the store, and every time I do something, it just seems like it's not as fine finished. Of course it won't be unless I sand it and paint it and all that. But when it burns down and it looks just like something I could burn in the store and it would burn down the same, makes me feel like I'm maybe using the same plastic that China uses. Curious if this is going to turn into ash or it's just going to turn into a blob when it's done, look like gum. I think it's going to look like gum. Still burning, but I can't really see anything there other than the pieces that look like gum. I take it back, now that the wind has died down, I'm getting facefuls of the black smoke. It's just as strong as the PLA. It's an awful smell. I can't stand burning trash. The smell of it, I'll burn trash. Now the other one, PLA, is made out of corn starch or something like that. Something with the corn. Don't know what ABS is made out of. I just know it can handle a lot higher temps for heat. It's also oil resistant. I don't know if it's coolant resistant out of a car. To me, that's chemical. It's a lot different. It's turning into nothing. Oh, and the wind blew it out. Oh, that's what it looks like. Oh, that smells so awful when it blew out. Oh, man. I gotta get away. I don't know what that smell is. It is not the burning smell of trash. Put my thing over me. Where's it at? Where is it at? It's right there. That's what it looks like after it burnt. Wind blew it out. Where's my stick? Stick to move it around. It turned into goo. It's not dry yet. Or it's not cooled off yet. I would say it would have went down to nothing if the wind didn't blow it out, but what's the chances of it getting that small and the wind not blowing it out? I'd say that burns better than this, because this is a bunch of goo. This is a big platform of goo. So I'd rather this burn than PLA. Except this burns slower, so if you built like a whole house out of PLA, your house would burn slower. Thanks for watching, and ABS will burn and smell awful.